Today we are going to build a 30 by 40 garage. So let's start up here with style. We can just start with just a garage here, and it'll automatically populate a garage with 2 doors and a walk-through door. Now it automatically populates the 24 by 26 by 9, so 24 wide, 26 long, which is from front to back on the roof. Now again, we have a 6-inch overhang on the roof. So the footprint is actually 24 wide and 25 deep. So let's change a few things about this garage. First thing is we want to make it a 30. So let's go to 31. That gives us a 31-foot roof measurement, which gives us a 30-foot footprint measurement. So it's a 24 by 30. Actually, you know what? We said 30 by 40. So let's go to 30 wide. 41 long. That puts us at 30 by 40. Now, I want to change the eave height on this. Let's go 10 foot. So we can change these doors to 10 by 8 certified doors. Okay, close. And then 10 by 8 certified door. Now, we do the 10 by 8s, but we actually need 2 foot on the eave height for that certified door to make the header correct. I'm going to put, let's see, let's do 3 foot here, 3 foot and 3 foot spacing over here. So there we go. And we're going to keep that door there. Now let's put some windows on the side here. Let's put one there. Now normally when you do this, it automatically populates the window in the center, which is okay. Let's put a window on this side. Let's put a window on this side. That way we have good cross ventilation. Okay, so now, here we are. Oh, this thing is kind of getting wacky on me. There we go. Okay, so now here we are at the 30 by 41 by 10. But, you know, I always like the vertical siding. I like how it looks. If you look on the inside of this building, in between the uprights, there is no purlings, but when we change it to vertical, those purlings appear. So you get more framing when you do the vertical siding as opposed to the horizontal siding, so you get a little more framing. I like the look of the vertical siding. Now, let's go in and change the colors. So let's do, I like burgundy, and let's go with a sandstone and sandstone. And then something that looks really nice is add the deluxe wainscoting, so then the bottom has the wainscoting there. And here's our building. You can see with the door, the windows. It was a pretty simple build. And the reason why it was simple is because we had the style up here, that garage style. Makes it really easy to build garages in here. And you can skip around, you can go to the size, you can change the size, you can put on lean-tos on this. Now, when you do, you know, I've showed you in the past actually certifying a building, but all of our 30 wides, our triple wides, are automatically certified. So they automatically have the certification, the wind certification and the snow load certification. So that's all automatic. But there you go. There's a very simple 30 by 40 by 10 garage with the deluxe wainscoting, the vertical roof, the vertical siding, the 2 certified doors. And there you go. That's it.